Hi guys! Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. Today, we will make Yema balls. Yema ball is a type of custard candy made of egg yolks and condensed milk. It is a very popular candy in the Philippines. Also, I used to sell this back in high school, so I have allowance and to pay for projects or requirements in school. Are you ready for this episode? Let's get cooking! We will need 1 can of condensed milk, 3 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of butter, or you can also use vegetable oil, and sugar for coating. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a plate, put a bit of oil and brush the oil all over. Then, set this aside. In a pan over low heat, melt the butter, then add the condensed milk, and stir them together. Add in the egg yolks and stir them together and cook it until it becomes thick, about 15 to 20 minutes. By the way, you can also add in nuts if you prefer, such as roasted peanuts or cashews or almonds. But this is optional. Once cooked, remove from the heat and transfer it into the greased plate and let it cool. Once the temperature of the yema is tolerable, scoop about a teaspoon of it, roll it with your hands to shape into a ball, and coat it with sugar. Then transfer it into a plate. And here's our finished product! Yema balls are soft, sweet, and so good. It is also very simple to make, and you only need few ingredients. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!